All right. Good morning, gang. Happy Aloha Friday from Honolulu. Actually, not even afternoon. It's actually afternoon, probably where you are. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We wait a little bit later today to do the daily update. We wanted to watch this Dow, right? We're over that 35,000. It looks like we might hold it. I think we're at 3540. Something like that right now. We'll go take a look in just a second, but that's a key spot for the Dow. It's had a couple tries at it, and it just couldn't hold it into a close. And like I always tell you guys, for your charting, you want to see a closing print over that 35,000, and it was kind of a conundrum, right? With the Nasdaq making all-time highs, which we did it again today, then the S&P again today. So those are fine, right? But they're so tech driven. But those 30 companies that are just representative of economic growth, economic situation is just couldn't get over and hold those 35,000. Maybe today's the day. Let's go take a look at a chart and find out. We're going to answer the questions right now. Let me hit the right button here. So you can see here, we've got the futures chart here. Let's go to an actual market chart. Let's go to the DJI. So you can see we're nice over that 35,000 there. You can see that line right there is about 35,000. We're at about 35,037. Still a couple hours left in the market day. We'll see if we can hold it. It's pushed even higher than that. Those are all-time highs there. So that's a nice little chart there. Let's look at a year chart. And you can see really, really nice job there, moving back up after that debacle we had Thursday, Friday, and Monday. Now, look, guys, going into next week, we don't have a lot of headwinds, right? We've got big tech reporting next week. We've got eBay. God, I'm showing my age, right? Big tech, we've got Apple, we've got Microsoft, we've got Facebook, we've got, I believe, Google, all coming up around the corner. And a lot of them kick off on Tuesday with Visa and Apple and some of those. And you can see on the economic front, we don't have much on Monday. We've got the SAR report, which, it has a little effect on the market, but it's not a real big market mover unless it's dramatically bad or good. And then Tuesday, we've got some durable goods orders and some other stuff, the CCI and stuff like that. It's not until we hit Wednesday afternoon that we've got that Federal Open Market Committee announcement, the big Fed, Jerome Powell and his people. And then, of course, the real market shaker, right, is when he starts talking. And then Thursday, we roll into the normal labor reports. Then we're going to get some GDP numbers and stuff like that. And Friday, we've got some big stuff: personal income, consumer spending, core inflation. And we'll see how that turns out. But other than that, guys, like I said, we're sitting on this Apple trade. That's really, besides those two oil plays that are out till September and that travel and leisure play that's out till the end of August. That's all we've got on the board right now. We kept it close to the vest. We want to see that close. We want to see that close over 35,000 before we really get into this. I know it's easy to say, well, you're missing this whole leg. But you got to remember, we tapped out a big spider win when we went short on Thursday, right? And we tapped that out Monday morning. We rolled into the QQQ long. We tapped that out for a quick 80%. And now we're sitting on Apple, and that trade right now is up about 45-50% already. So yes, we have taken advantage of this. Plus two, like I always teach you guys, you know what I always say, you should have great stocks in your portfolio. And regardless of whether you're in some option plays or not right now, you should be capitalizing on this market just like we are. All the stocks in our portfolio are bright green today, except for Coin. But Coin, we're building a position in. So, it's an expensive stock. So we add a couple shares here, couple shares there as we cash in our option wins, right? So interesting day. It was a good bullish start, and then got a little confounded there for about a half hour, and then it resumed this uptrend. But again, 35,000. Let's see if we get the close, because if we do, that might change the strategy going into next week. But we also want to remember Monday and Tuesday probably are very bullish tones unless something happens news-wise over the weekend. Because people will be anticipating some great tech earnings on Tuesday, and there's not a lot of economic reports until Wednesday, right? When we start getting that Fed meeting and some of the other numbers that come out with the labor on Thursday. Uh, Other than that, guys, let's go enjoy the weekend. It's my birthday this weekend, so we're gonna make it a short call, short, short show today. Um, just stay tight right now. 2 hours left in the market on a Friday. How much are you really going to get done, anyways? You should either be cashing in or getting ready to cash in right now. So look, guys, like I said, for right now, the all eyes were on whether we get this 35,000 or above close. See if we get a print there. It's pushing up. It's about 35.41 right now. We got about 2 hours left in the market. We know the volatility in this market. We're going to hold on to Apple. Ideally, we'd like to exit Apple before the earnings report after the bell on Tuesday. We get a nice pop on Monday. We get a nice pop on Tuesday. The profit looks too good to resist. We will take it. And unless something goes definitely wrong and we need a good earnings report, we'll be out of this trade long before that report hits the waves. Other than that, we'll start looking for some opportunities depending on how this close goes with the Dow. We've got some target stocks we'd like to get into that might have been little laggers that generally do well, but for some reason they're lagging. That's the old late 90s trade, right? Remember how guys used to trade options in the late 90s? If chip stocks were having a big day, you went into chip stocks, you look for that one or two laggers and you bought some in the money options and you wrote them up as it caught up with the rest of the sector, unless there was some detrimental news. That was kind of an old strategy, but it's kind of like a wait and see thing for us. We are making money on the market. Like I said, we got the Apple trade. We tapped out the Q, the Spider, all profitable trades this week. We've got the great stocks in our portfolio. The great thing about Apple with us right now is we're in these calls, right? And we're making money on the calls. Well, we also own the stock too, pre-split. We told our members back before Apple split around that 120, 125 level to get some shares in their portfolio. So, Apple is a gift that keeps on giving. And we also got other good stocks in our portfolio that are benefiting from this bull rally. So we're going to go enjoy the weekend. Like I said, it's birthday weekend. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Right after this, I'll do a little crypto show. Just quick update on crypto. Crypto's still going sideways. And we're still in that accumulation phase, right? Anyways, gang, I'll see you guys on Monday. Okay. If you're going to tune in for the crypto show, I'll see you on the crypto show. You guys have a great, safe weekend. Okay. All right.